Struggling with breakfast ideas for your busy mornings? Look no further. Here are 3 easy breakfast recipes perfect for students or anyone on the go. We've got a crunchy homemade muesli that's sure to wake up your taste buds, refreshing breakfast smoothies for those warmer days, and a decadent treat of chocolate overnight oats that will make you feel like you're indulging, but it's all good for you. Delicious, nutritious, and super easy to prepare. Let's dive right into the first recipe, shall we? First on our list is the homemade muesli, a delightful blend of nutrition and taste. Are you ready to transform your breakfast routine with this simple yet delightful recipe? All you need are some gluten-free old-fashioned oats, a handful of cornflakes, a drizzle of honey, a few chopped walnuts, a selection of fresh berries, and a dollop of yogurt. Start by taking a generous portion of oats. These are not just any oats, but gluten-free old-fashioned oats, full of fiber and nutrients. Next, add some crunchy cornflakes into the mix. These will provide a delightful texture to your muesli. Now, let's add some sweetness, but not with processed sugars. Instead, we'll use a drizzle of honey. This natural sweetener not only adds a hint of sweetness, but also brings a range of health benefits. Moving on, let's add a crunch with some chopped walnuts. Walnuts are a great source of essential fatty acids, and they add a wonderful crunch to your muesli. Next up are the fresh berries. You can choose your favorites, be it strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries. These will add a burst of flavor and a host of antioxidants to your breakfast. Finally, bind all these ingredients together with a dollop of yogurt. This will add a creamy texture and a good serving of protein to your muesli. Mix everything together and let it sit for a few minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. And there you have it, your homemade muesli is ready to kickstart your day. Moving on to our next recipe, the breakfast smoothies. A perfect solution for a quick and healthy start. Imagine a symphony of flavors in a glass, a blend of your favorite fruits that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also fuels your day with essential nutrients. That's the magic of breakfast smoothies. Let's start with the basics: frozen bananas, mango, and kiwi. These are some of the most popular choices, but the beauty of smoothies is that they're incredibly customizable. Feel free to experiment with your preferred fruits. Now, on to the smoothie making process. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, take your frozen fruits and pop them into a blender. Remember, the frozen fruits act as a natural ice substitute, giving your smoothie a cool, refreshing texture. Next, add a splash of your chosen liquid. This could be anything from water, almond milk, coconut milk, or even yogurt, depending on your preference. Just enough to get the blender going and to reach your desired smoothie consistency. Finally, blend away. It's that simple. Within seconds, you'll have a creamy, fruity, and refreshing breakfast smoothie ready to be served. If you want to take your smoothie to the next level, consider adding a scoop of protein powder or a handful of spinach for an extra nutrient boost. But that's completely optional. There you go, your breakfast smoothie is ready to sip. Doesn't it look delicious? Last but not least, we have the chocolate overnight oats, a treat for all the chocolate lovers out there. This recipe is a delightful combination of health and taste, striking the perfect balance for a hearty start to your day. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need some old-fashioned oats, a pear, a banana, a handful of raspberries, almond butter, and of course, some chocolate. Dark chocolate is a great choice for its health benefits, but you can use whatever tickles your palate. Now let's get down to business. Begin by grating the pear and set it aside. Then, in a mason jar or any container of your choice, layer the oats at the bottom. Pour over some milk, just enough to cover the oats. Next, add the grated pear, spreading it evenly over the oats. Now comes the exciting part, the chocolate. Grate or chop your chosen chocolate and sprinkle it over the pear layer. Add a layer of sliced bananas next, followed by a generous handful of raspberries. Top it all off with a dollop of almond butter for that rich, nutty flavor. Once you've layered all your ingredients, close the container tight and let it sit in the fridge overnight. The oats will soak up the flavors, creating a mouth-watering concoction by morning. And voila, your chocolate overnight oats are ready to be devoured in the morning. Enjoy this chocolatey delight and kickstart your day with a bang. So, those were the 3 easy breakfast recipes for your busy mornings. The homemade muesli, packed with fiber and antioxidants, the versatile breakfast smoothies, loaded with vitamins and minerals, and the chocolate overnight oats, offering a protein-rich start with a sweet twist. These recipes will not only save you precious morning time, but also deliver the necessary nutrients to kickstart your day. Remember, a good breakfast fuels you up and gets you ready for the day. So try these recipes and never skip breakfast again.